Now, let's talk about the video format of doing product reviews.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
This is a very effective format for some cases. Let's talk about its pros and cons. Generally, they are pretty boring videos. And again, I'll have a sort of strategy explanation, and at the end I'll have an example of a video that's a product review that you can reference. That's a good one. Okay, so generally they're pretty boring videos, and the only people who watch them are actually really interested, right? So you're tapping into that super interested niche and subset of people who are gonna, they're at some point of the sales funnel. They may be interested in the product, they may be shopping and need it today. They are closer than most people to buying, okay? And that's why they have a very high conversion rate typically, as long as you make it very good. Additionally, that kind of a video can rank in YouTube search or Google search for specific product names or models, especially if you are comparing certain products or reviewing a single product. You have a good chance to get it to rank for that single product, and as long as you beat the other reviews, you can get a lot of people who are interested, who are genuinely interested. You can get organic traffic, which again has a high conversion rate. The challenge sometimes is that if it's a popular product, you may have competition with nearly the same videos that have been made before, so you'll have to outmarket them. Okay, and let me tell you about the format that it usually has. You have to show the product. It's usually visual, and you have to explain and show the details and get deep into it and discuss usage of different parts of the product. How does it feel? Which parts are bad? Which parts are less bad? Which parts are good? It has to be very professional, very thorough. Have to gain trust, because people have to feel like you're not telling them something but actually telling them the truth. Okay, and of course, if it's something that you're reviewing, something that you want people to buy, you have to clearly explain the next step, how to buy the product, exactly to click, because a lot of people don't know. Don't expect everybody to actually guess and figure it out. You'll increase your conversion rates if you explain to people exactly where to go, how to go, what to click, what link to choose, all that. But that's only after you made the call action to buy, and you got to get people to get genuinely into actually getting the product, right? And if there's some product that may be better for some things, you want to point to another product. Hopefully it's another product review of yours where you can sell that product. That's right. How to promote these things usually. Like I mentioned, they usually can rank well for YouTube and Google SEO. Okay, if it's a good product review, you may generate interest in user and community forums and Facebook groups that discuss this kind of things. And those are free strategies. You can also boost your traffic with paid advertising. So marketing, it means free. Traffic, advertising, it means you have to pay, right, a little bit. So, and you can advertise on Google AdWords, on Google search, YouTube AdWords for your video to serve video ads, which actually are typically very cheap per view. And you can also do something like LinkedIn ads or Facebook ads, depending on the kind of products that you are selling, and where you may find best targeting to reach your potential user. So let me show you now a little bit of a video that I thought was a really good product review video. It's a super boring product. It's camera stands, right? But you'll quickly be able to see how professional and thorough this guy is. I'm going to kind of put him in the middle somewhere here.
So if you're working on uneven ground, sort of called a Rocky Mountain leg, you can stick it out, adjust it to maybe the side of a mountain or something, and get it to different configurations that way. So look for a tripod that'll allow you to do that. And then the other thing is you need to look at how long this shaft is in the bottom of your tripod, because if you want to get your tripod really loaded...
I'll have the link. I muted him because I'm obviously not going to play this for a long time, but see how thorough he is. He has different products. It's very professional. you may have noticed also that there are different camera angles at play here and very nice editing as well. So this is a professionally made video. You can see it's also very successful here. It has 100,000 views. I kind of forgot if he's selling something or it's just a good product review video. But if you are selling, definitely put calls to action throughout the video, not just at the end, because it is boring, and even if people are interested, they might fall asleep, right? There's only so much attention a person can have when they're listening to a review about camera tripods, right? So maybe people might be interested in buying sooner than at the end of the video, and you want to take advantage of that by adding calls to actions that are sooner, that explain to people how they get this product. Probably after you show them how much better their lives would be if they have this product. But I do want to point out the thoroughness and how he talks about all aspects of the cameras, all aspects of the tripod, and he really gives a really great review, really informative, and with me at least, he's built a lot of trust. I know he knows what he's talking about, and I'm basically I don't even have to really trust him. I'm basically seeing the products at work, right? So I kind of can, it doesn't require as much trust even. So that's the beauty of product reviews, that the person is interested. They are somewhere along the sales funnel. They're not like some random person online, right? They're usually very targeted people. Search for product reviews or product information and watch that kind of stuff. So highly converting video format here.